Why do mountains rise? Why do rivers curve? Why do deserts expand? It's not magic, it's physical geography. Physical geography studies the natural features of Earth: landforms, water bodies, climate, and soils. It helps us understand how our planet looks and works. Deep inside Earth are the core, mantle, and crust. Movements in these layers cause earthquakes and shape the surface. Yes, even the Himalayas were pushed up this way. Earth's crust is broken into plates. When they move, we get mountains, trenches, volcanoes. This is how the Earth sculpts itself over time. Rivers carve valleys, glaciers cut through rock, and wind shapes deserts. Even rainfall and temperature patterns shape our geography. From farming to disaster planning, physical geography explains how nature affects humans. It's the foundation of life on Earth. Like this video? There's a whole world to explore, from volcanoes to deserts to rivers. Subscribe for more.